Hello students, today we are going to discuss the questions on the Pajan's rule. Now, first type of question is question on the covalent character. Covalent character. Second type of question is question on the polarization. Third type of question is question on the solubility. So basically this polarization and covalent character are of same type. So mainly two types of questions are asked. So now let us discuss. Taking the example of BeF2, BeF2, BeCl2, BeBr2 and BeI2. So as we know that the size of I negative will be greater than the size of Br negative, then Cl negative and then lastly F negative. This is the size order. Now in the previous lecture we have already discussed that more will be the size of anion, more will be the polarization and more will be the covalent character. So this is the order of polarization occur in compound. Polarization. So in this way the polarization or covalent character is greater in the BeI2, then BeBr2, then BeCl2 and then BeF2. In this way this is the order of polarization. This is the order of polarization, or we can say covalent character. Covalent character. If you want to arrange the compounds in the order of increasing order of ionic character, then the order is just reverse. So this is the order of ionic character. So increasing order of ionic character. Now again the covalent character is directly proportional to polarization. More will be the polarization, more will be the covalent character, and is directly proportional to the size of the anion. But this all will be inversely proportional to the solubility. So order of solubility will be order of solubility in polar solvent is polar solvent like H2O. So H2O have more dipole moment, and also more dielectric constant. So it will more so order of solubility in H2O will be BeCl2, BeBr2 and lastly we have BeI2. So this is order of solubility in H2O, because H2O will solubilize more the ionic compound. The ionic compound will be more easily soluble in H2O. The ionic compound will more easily soluble in H2O. So this is the order of solubility. Thank you very much. Now another type of question is the order of covalent character of CuCl2 and NaCl and NaCl. Sorry, CuCl and NaCl. So as we know that Cu positive have configuration 18 electron, firstly 18 electron in outermost shell, and this 18 electron can be arranged as 3s2, 3p6 and 3d10. So this is pseudo inert configuration. Pseudo inert configuration, and we have already discussed in the previous lecture. So please firstly go to previous lecture whose link is given in the description box, and please see it, then come to this section. So we have already discussed that Cu, as we know that it has pseudo inert configuration, and pseudo inert configuration have more polarizing power. So in CuCl more polarization. So in CuCl covalent character will be more than NaCl, because in CuCl we have pseudo inert configuration, but in NaCl we have inert configuration. So order of covalent character is mentioned here, or order of polarization will be this: CuCl have more covalent character than NaCl. Thank you very much.